When things felt tough and I was in a place of feeling alone and having to endure suffering, God was right there. Grief has a way of making you feel alone, even when you are surrounded by family. But in my lowest moments, God gave me His word: be still and know that I am God. God didn't just lighten my burdens, He gave me the curiosity to hone in on the creativity of His handiwork. He nurtured my mind, and I was blessed to use my gifts to create things for the body, like body butters, infused oils, lotions, and more. With every creation, I was praying for healing and finding beauty in the things that He created. I can endure anything because my suffering is nothing compared to what God has prepared for me. That is why I created something that is joyful and blooms into something that is essential. Because it was created in love, this is the heart behind Joyful Bloom Essentials. If this story resonates with you, I invite you to follow along as I bring Joyful Bloom Essentials to life. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the first to know when our creations are ready for you. I can't wait to share them with you.